Hi, my name is Melissa.
My name is Zahra.
Yeah, we are from Buy Oil Mains, and we're going to introduce you about our premium starter kit. So, kalau kita sign up sebagai ahli dengan Young Living dengan pembelian premium starter kit, kita akan dapat diffuser. Diffuser ada 3 jenis diffuser. Ini salah satu yang sangat popular, iaitu apa namanya?
What is this? Oh, this is desert mist.
Desert mist diffuser. Okey, sangat cantik desert mist ni. Selain daripada tu, dan ini adalah dia punya everyday oils. Okey, jadi menjadi ahli, kita berjimat sebab kita membeli dia telah disatukan dengan diffuser dan juga set minyak. Mula-mula kita go through the diffuser.
Okay,
Slowly, Zara, this is new.
It's brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new where we have the instruction, and this is the electric cords.
Yeah.
Okay, so this thing ni adalah versi international di mana dia punya plug adalah plug
Green to new.
So ni dah dia desert mist diffuser, sangat cantik dan classy, dan boleh digunakan sebagai lampu malam juga kalau kita letak dekat meja, okay, sebagai dekor. Alright, so you can use it. Is a diffuser, you see, whereby the cara penggunaannya, kita meletak apa yang buka pula, just letak air dalam ni. Don't open this new. Letak air dan kita akan drop essential oil dalam ni.
No, you have to follow the thing there.
Okay, so dia punya mode, dia ada 3 mode, iaitu high output mode, iaitu dia akan run selama 5 hingga 6 jam secara berterusan. It will run for 5 to 6 hours. Yes. And then the next one is low mode, iaitu berjalan run for 8 jam, 8 hours continuously. And the other one is intermittent mode, di mana ia akan berjalan selama 10 jam intermittently. So 1 minit dia on, 1 minit off. Itu dah namanya apa, Zara? Intermittent. Okay, so it's very good that kita gunakan bila di dalam bilik ataupun di ruang tamu. Okay, dan dia ada light functions. Betul?
Yes.
Light function ada banyak tak? Ada berapa lampu? Zara suka warna apa?
I like blue.
You like blue color. There is multiple light functions. Ada 10 color option. Okay, kita boleh pilih, dan termasuk ada candle flicker. Jadi kalau kita in the mood macam nak candle light macam tu, dia macam mood so soft and very nice. So dia set up the mood. Besides kita punya aroma, dia memberi suasana ambience yang diingini, ikut kita punya mood lah. So kalau kita nak vibrant, we have pink colors, we have yellow, we have green, and so on. Right, so next is the oil. Look at this oil, it's so pretty. Isn't it pretty, Zahra?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, so this is the oils that comes with the premium starter kit.
So at the back of it,
At the back of it, you can just you can stand and just put it there. So kalau kita nak letak macam ni, boleh letak. You see?
There's like so many oils.
Basically minyak-minyak yang dipilih adalah telah didesain memang cukup untuk kita memulai perjalanan kita menggunakan minyak essential oil untuk bantuan support untuk seluruh keluarga kita, untuk pelbagai jenis keperluan kita. Okay. So here I will show you this is the most, everybody knows lavender, and
Yeah,
it relates with essential oil a lot. So even in the kalau dekat kedai-kedai pun people always relate with nice smell with lavender. So here is Young Living lavender, which is a true lavender. Okay,
A
so
true lavender.
true lavender. So memang pure lavender dalam ni, dan you can know the difference with the aroma, and dia punya kegunaan is like so many, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, especially for people who have babies,
Babies.
for kids. So a lot of uses for this oil.
Useful.
Okay, so dari segi emosinya, dari segi kita boleh untuk support tubuh badan kita juga kita boleh gunakan ni. So it's not just for diffusing.
It's
So that's the special of Young Living oil, essential oil, because it's the purity of the oil. So there's a lot of use for the oil. So this is lavender.
Yeah.
So it's one of the oil that is inside here. So besides lavender, we have, okay, macam lavender ni, it is priced for 100 over ringgit. I cannot remember how much is in the for retail price for 15 ml. So here we have in 5 ml.
We have
Okay,
lemon.
the next one, this is PanAway.
Popular.
Okay, if you
Not
see
that popular.
PanAway, it's a very good blend oil. So dia memberi support kepada kita punya muscles, punya otot-otot, ya. Untuk orang yang sering lasak-lasak, sakit-sakit badan, so this is a good support, PanAway. So untuk kesakitan, so very good support for your body. So we don't usually diffuse this oil. We don't diffuse this. You can do it as massage and sapu. Yeah. Alright. So macam PanAway ni, this is a pricey oil because dalam PanAway ni ada minyak-minyak yang sangat berharga, seperti helichrysum ni dalam ni. So it's very I can say it's one of the expensive oil. So if you buy it in as loose, especially the retail price is very pricey. Okay, it's like 60% of this price, the whole of this. So you can only get one of the oil, which is PanAway 15 ml. But that's why when you get the premium starter kit, you are getting it inside this alongside other oil. So you're getting this pricey oil in this as well, with a fraction of the price. Okay. Same goes with Frankenstein, which inside here. Frankenstein ni another very valuable oil. So especially it's good for skin support.
It's the king of the oil.
Yeah, it's the king of it. So clever. So it's the king of the oil. That's what we say. So Frankenstein has so many uses. You know, it's not just named king of the oil for no reason. So when you've joined the group, you've joined the membership, there's so much thing that you can learn to use the oil. So this is a pricey oil too. So you are getting it inside this premium starter kit, PASK. So besides that, we have the popular oil peppermint, which is like everybody's favorite. Even for the guys, they love peppermint so much. Especially for the guys. So you know, guys love this peppermint, and of course, so much use with peppermint. You can use it to help to support your for mental clarity. You know, give you good clear mind. It can give you good breathing. You know, if you diffuse it, it's so nice to diffuse peppermint, and very fresh smell, and so much more. It's even good to support any indigestion, angin, you know, things like that. So and so much other use. You want to know about lemon? Okay, so this is lemon. Okay, and lemon has Like in Malaysia, it's already launched. Lemon is also launched. Call it flavoring oils. Okay. So lemon, as you know, this is pure lemon. Lemon rind. Dia punya kulit tu yang diperah, di cold press. This is cold press. Is pure lemon inside. So lemon terkenal dengan apa? Dia punya refreshing smell, dia punya cleansing. Dia punya cleaning properties. So that's what's good about lemon. Lemon is also there's a version of flavoring oils, which is actually the same oil but it's labeled flavoring oils. Different sikit dia punya label warna putih. So that oil you can put in your food and drink. So how awesome is that? You know, not all essential oil, not all brands you can do that, but I can tell you with Young Living you can do that. You can put this in your tea, you know, as a teh limau, or you can even put in your nice whatever food that you are preparing. Okay, steak. Okay, so have that the flavoring bread, the flavoring labeled one. Okay, so this is lemon. We have this, and then we have what do you want? RC. This is RC. RC is very good to support your respiratory. Okay, anything to do with your breathing has dia mengandungi eucalyptus, which is minyak kayu putih. So ia menolong kalau kita nak legakan kita punya sesak dada ke, ataupun kita punya congestion of our nose. You know, you can use RC. And so much other kegunaan. It's so good. Especially it's popular with mothers who have kids. You know, they love RC. So